everybody, and welcome back to another one of our videos. We're down at the allotment again. As you can see, there's nothing much for us to do. Just come down to give the plants in there a quick, just a little small amount of water that you're using now because we're getting down into the winter months. And I'm just checking on my plants to see what's going on. I let my cameraman come up. We was here on Monday, and I showed you the little one what was on here, and as you can see now, we've got these growing at a rate as well. So I don't know. I was gonna take these two melon trees out when I was clearing out in here. I've still got it to clear out, just tidying it up and everything, but like I've got plants going still, so I just left them. As you can see, this one is got loads on it, and now this one started, so it's just strange how they're coming this time of the year. The temperature in there is only like 14 C or whatever that is, and I came in and I looked in my bed, and what do I see coming up? When I left maybe some sweet potato roots, and see them starting to come back up there and there, which is a bit strange. I don't know if it's because the soil is more rich and getting more feed from the manure what I put on top of it. My peppers are still okay. Got loads of chilies on them. What I'll do next time I come, I'll pick them and give them away, because we don't really use a lot of chilies. I think these ones are the hot ones. The Scotch bonnets are still flowering. This chocolate one isn't flowering yet, but the tree's still quite strong. This was the one what was cut down and left what I was going to leave. My daughter repotted it, and I kept watering it, and see now it's got fruits, a couple of fruits on it, so that's done quite well. My spinaches and my broccoli is doing okay, and as well as my turmeric is doing exceptional, looking nice and healthy. And I've got 2 banana plants down there. I've still got some lettuces to take out of here, and then I'll prep this bed and get in there tidied up for the winter. So that's what's going on in there. Everything just surprising me for this time of the year, why the melons are coming this year. Yeah, because the weather's not been all that good, but they still decide that they want to grow. After we only had one during the heat of the summer, and now they're quite a good size as well. They're growing at some rate, so they're nice footballs, like nice sizes. All I have to do now is just watch them, because the vine is still growing and sending off more flowers, which is strange. I don't know if they like the bit of wanted a bit of cold to get going, but that's how it goes sometimes with things. So outside, got my banana peels and that in there. You see, I took off the cover, but the snails haven't done anything yet, so I think it's a bit wet and thing for them. And if anyone knows about Romanesco, please let me know, because this has been growing from the start of the season, and as you can see it's just growing big leaves on it, and no sign of any sorry to cross the camera, no sign of any heads of cauliflowers. It's just growing, and I can't see. So if anyone knows if it goes through the if it grows through the winter, or if I need to pull them up or anything, I don't know what to do with them. So I've got a few heads of corn still coming. As you know, something just attacked everything. Still got a few heads what's just starting to brown up now. Still got my coyote looking still green and still running like mad. I don't know why, maybe I should have taken the ends off, but that came late in the season. The grass is starting to come back in the beds where I put a thick layer of manure, but hopefully it's one in there. I've got this bed with the corn, and I've got all that to sort out as well. Don't know, this arbor's sort of twisting. I've taken up all my pumpkins already. You can see it's still running. Still sending out runners and starting. There's a few little ones on here. Let my cameraman come up, which I saw earlier. Now when I look in, I can't see them now. Yeah, like here you see a little one there, and a little one here. A few little ones coming, but they're too late in the season unless they do something extraordinary like what's going on with the melons. I've got all these tomatoes to take up. Won't be planting any tomatoes down there again, because every time it's just blight. I've got another little cho-cho down there. That one never got a chance. I think it got smothered by the pumpkins what was there. So next time I'll plant them on this side and let them run, and then plant the pumpkin on this side and let it run that side. But I'll get all this off eventually. Then I've got all these corns to pull out. The ones what's been attacked and everything and just been eaten. There might still be a few heads around, but you can see they've really been eaten. And then it's just these lima beans now I'm waiting on. I don't know why everything's come so late. The pods are still damp. You need a few things. And I don't know if my cameraman can go around and show you, because people's asking about the fig tree. I've got to top that back up when I get a chance. I'll put, you can see the wood chip. I planted it in wood chip and it's sunk down, so I've got to top it back up. And you can see there's still producing a lot of fruits coming back up on it. So let my cameraman come round. Right, I've got some Romanescos in here. you see my broccolis and everything's gone to seed, so I'll be pulling those out once I get a chance, and then getting all this out, and then getting this bed prep. But I don't see them, they haven't brought no manure around for a bit now, so I'm hoping we get some. This bed here is where I want to put, where I wanted to put my onions, but you see it's sinking right down, so I need the compost to put on top of it, but I can't get it delivered because they're saying it's the ground is so wet with all the rain. We even had rain yesterday, so I can't even do this bed. There's my other fig tree there, what they said wasn't gonna produce anything for this year. Said it would just grow, and I can see a fig on it, and it's all right. I planted that in the same method as putting the wood chips. Put it in a grow bag, put the grow bag in, then fill up the tub with the wood chips, so that'll rotten down, and then I'll just top it up. Then I've got all this pumpkin patch. When we get a couple of dry days now, just pull all that up, dig that over, and manure the whole thing, so we're getting there. So if you're liking our videos, please remember, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell another friend. If you want to leave a comment in the comment section, we'll get back to you on them. That's just all I can show you for today. We've still got things in progress, so you know, you just have to persevere on and hope for the best. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you all on the next one. You take care until then.